Hello guys, how's it going? Rob Tech Help here. Welcome back to my channel. Today guys, I'm very excited guys to bring you an unboxing video and review of the Govee RGB strip lights. These are LED lights that I recently purchased from Amazon for $14.99, and as you can see from my background right now, you can see that my background looks kind of good. Even though my room is actually very dark, my background looks good. Now I believe that Govee make quite a lot of different types of strip lights. In this case, these strip lights that I purchased are actually 5 meters long, and I think Govee make, I'm pretty sure because I've seen it on Amazon, 10 meters and longer types of lights, and different sort of quality lights as well, and different range of colors, just different RGB type of lights. But the main reason why I got these is because I wanted a newer look, a different sort of look for my workstation. Right here, as you can see, with my PCs out here, I just wanted my workstation to look good, and I simply wanted to test these out to see how they would make my place look, and I'm definitely already loving it. I mean, there's so many different colors that you guys can use as well. I'll give you an example, guys. Take a look at what it looks like. Right now, the workstation has the lights already set up. You can see the light color is kind of like purple. I've got the remote control in my hand right now, and I can show you guys exactly what it's going to look like without the lights and with the lights. So 1, 2, 3. So this is what it looks like without the lights. I've set the lights on a very dim sort of level, because I don't want it to be too bright at this moment in time. But when I turn the lights on, you can see the background changes. I can turn it up a bit more and it gets a bit too bright, but it's still not too bad. So we, for example, we can leave it like this. It kind of makes the background really nice, as you can see. So I've got mine just under my table and behind my PC as well. Okay guys, so basically what I've done now is I've basically just increased the brightness of these LED lights, the color that I'm using right now. So in a second, you're going to be able to see what the difference is between the LED lights being on and the LED lights being off at my workstation. And also, in general, for my background for YouTube videos, I wanted to bring this sort of background as well, because you can still see me very clearly, and the background just looks so much better. I do not have to use my normal light. My lights are all off, but look how good the background looks. But now here you're going to just see what it looks like without this light strip. So here we go guys. There we go guys. Without the light strip, look what it looks like. It doesn't look too bad. It doesn't look too bad without the light strip, but definitely the light strips make a difference. This is what, as you can see guys, if you guys are happy with this, or are you happier with this, this for me looks so much better. If I want, I can just change the dimness of it like I did in the beginning of the video. As you can see, it was a bit lighter, now it's a bit brighter. Now I'm just gonna adjust it just to show you guys briefly, how much different you can make it look. This is probably maybe the best part of using this. You can just change the brightness any moment in time. But guys, before we get more into this video, if you're new here, welcome. This is Rob Tech Help here. We try to help the average consumer with affordable products that the average person can afford. Headphones that on a budget, earbuds, printers, and so on and so forth. Even lights as well, like these as well, guys. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Like the video if you like, if it's helpful to you. Comment as well in the comment section below. Okay guys, as you can see from this video, the strip lights come in this LED box where you can open it from the side with no issues. Inside you will find a user manual, an adapter plug to power the lights up. The LED strip lights around this circular disc, that's how it comes in. I think most of them sort of come around this, come in this format of this circular disc. You've also got a control box and a remote control which allows you to change the color of the lights at any moment. As you guys seen earlier in this video, I was using the remote to control the dimness of the lights and the colors of the lights. I will show you guys the different colors as the video goes on as well. so you can see, and you get an idea of how these can be used. And also you can adjust the brightness of the lights as well, depending on what you want with the remote as well. Now, generally speaking, I think a lot of people would prefer to have these lights maybe on the ceiling of their rooms, or whatever room you're interested in putting these lights in. In my case, I didn't want to do that because I only really truly wanted to test these out on my workstation, and if I like them, which I do, I would get them for my TV as well, which I will show you guys eventually once I do get extra lights for that section. But mainly it was the workstation, and also for the background for YouTube videos as well, like this, to just give a greater background for the audience when they watch it. Now the strip lights, actually they come with the lights when you unbox them and see, they come with this sticker on the back of them. It's an adhesive sticker that you can take off, and basically you then have to stick the actual strip lights around whatever surface you want to have them on. But from the instructions, and definitely what I would recommend as well, is to clean the surface that you want to stick these on first. You definitely have to do that. It would help you a lot more. If you don't, it won't stick properly, especially if it's a wet surface. It's not going to stick properly, and it's ultimately just going to damage the strip lights, that part of the strip lights anyway. You can also cut these into different sections, I guess, but I didn't do that because I felt like if I do it, how am I gonna basically power up the other section? Because you've only got one power section, so I'm guessing you would have to maybe get multiple plugs to be able to power all the different sections you want. So I basically just powered it all from one part of my room, the workstation side, and I only cut it at. So setting up, guys, is pretty easy, honestly. As you can see here, what I did first was basically just try to turn on the strip lights to see if it's working, see if the remote control, the strip lights respond to the remote control, turn it on and see what the lights look like. Once you have that, clean the surface that you want these lights to be placed on. And once you do that, you want to lay out your strip lights in the around the disc that is. You just lay it out and make it as long as you can, or whatever, if you have the space. Just so you see how long it is. It's 5 meters anyway. Now, once you've done that, you want to slowly take off this part, the adhesive on the strip lights. Take it off so that you can stick it on the section that you want to. In my case, I've stuck it all around my table, underneath my table, and behind the monitor as well. The 2 monitors I have, because I want the lights just around this area. As you can see, most of the lights is just focused around this area anyway. This honestly will take you about 5 to 10 minutes, honestly, guys. It really just depends on where you want to stick these lights to, which part of the, what sort of surface you're going to stick it onto. In my case, mine is pretty small, so it didn't take me that long to finish sticking these on. And once you're finished and you still got a bit more strip lights left, you can literally just use the scissors and cut it off, and that's it. So here's what mine looks like, guys, in the purple color. And once you're done, mine is purple, but once you guys are done, you could just turn it on and play around with the remote, see what kind of colors you get. Of course, these are what mine look like. So at the moment, I've got it on sort of a purpley color. So what I'll do is I'm going to show you guys, because we've got so many colors. We've got red, green, blue. You've got white as well. So we can start off with white. It kind of looks bluish. The white it's very weird, but it does kind of. This is what that looks like. You've got blue, which is very, very blue. Blue looks cool. I like the blue. You've got green. Green is a bit more. It just depends on the total mood you're trying to set, but it looks okay. And you've got red as well, which is not too bad. But, it just depends on, honestly, it's just about preference. I'm not really too fond of the red. I'm not really too fond of the red, you know what I'm saying? So, as I said, it just depends on your mood. Now, you've got the brightness settings, and you've literally got other colors within the colors you have. That, different shades of red, so you can have orange, yellow, you can have a lighter green as well. So, for example, this is red, so we can dim the red a bit and take it down. As you can see, it's gone down a bit more, so it's not too much. It's a little bit, but not too much, and you can bring it back up again, adjust the brightness. On the red side, you can also change it to orange If you want an orange background, let's turn that up a bit. Or you can get a bit deeper, sort of closer to yellow, like that, which I'm not really too fond of. But again, on the green side, you can do the same thing. You can go down on the green side, getting closer to sort of an interesting sort of blue. You can also get it to flash, which I've pressed the flash button. Again, you can get it flashing like this, which looks pretty cool actually, now that I think about it. And also, guys, I've not used this for a long time, so I really don't know how to stop it, but I'm going to try and see if I can actually stop it or not. Let's try the green color. Okay, so I guess to stop it, you just have to press any color that you want. Green color, you know, okay, not too bad. Blue is probably my favorite-ish. You know, it looks alright, look at that. Blue looks pretty good. You know, if you want, dim the blue color if you want to a little bit, or you can take it up a notch like that, bring it down again. You know, different shades of blue as well. Another color I like is this color right here. I like this color, not too bad. You know, again, another shade of that color. And then you can go towards more pinkish color as well, like this. I mean, different colors, you can do so much to it. You can, as you saw before, guys, you know, you can make the colors jump if you want, and it just changes between all the colors. It's not too bad, but it is obviously a bit distracting. You know what I'm saying? It's really just up to you what you like and what colors you're really, really interested in. Let me just change this to a color that I like. Okay, yeah, I think this is fine. Okay, so ultimately, guys, $14.99. Let me know what you guys think. Is this something that you'd be interested in? Please like, guys, comment and subscribe if you have bought this. Like the video if you know it helped you in any way, shape or form. You know how it is, guys. I hope this video goes out and helps somebody. It's Rob Tech out here. LED lights, guys. Looks amazing. I'm out.